President Joe Biden is on Air Force One, headed back to the White House. You see it as it took off from John Glenn International Airport within the last 30 minutes. The president visited the James Cancer Hospital this afternoon on the 11th anniversary of the Affordable Care Act being signed into law. Today stopped to promote the American Rescue Plan, his first major piece of legislation. Hello, everybody. I'm Kerry Charles. Colleen Marshall is live near the James Cancer Hospital with more on today's visit. Colleen, what were your takeaways?
You know, he really was here, Kerry, because as you said, there was a two-pronged promotion coming out of the White House today. The president, of course, today toured the James Cancer Hospital, going specifically to the oncology and radiology departments because those departments were funded 11 years ago in the original signing of the Affordable Care Act by President Obama at that time. The president now, President Biden, wanted Americans to know that help is on the way in the form of the American Rescue Plan, but also it is more readily available now through the Affordable Care Act. He expanded that and opened up the enrollment period to allow those who have been displaced from their employment by COVID to be able to affordably handle health care. Biden said help is on the way in the form of the vaccine. 600 million of them, he said, will be available by the end of May. But he also said what America really needs is economic relief.
Millions have lost their jobs and are still out of work. Around 11 million children in America are going hungry through no fault of their own. But as a result of the pandemic and the economic crisis, millions of Americans are not able to maintain their mortgage payments or rental payments, and have found themselves on the verge of being evicted and having their homes repossessed. Well, we stepped in and we prevented that from happening with the American Rescue Plan.
We also saw a couple hundred students outside of the James by the time the president's motorcade left, many of them telling us they just wanted the opportunity to even wave through a window at the President of the United States. One of them also telling me, I asked about the price tag for this rollout, the relief plan of $1.9 trillion being put on the shoulders of their generation, and one young woman said to me, I am willing to pay more if it will save someone's life. Now, the people who did not roll out the red carpet today are Republicans. They were very critical of the president's visit, as well as the American Rescue Plan. Our Adrian Robbins talked to the chairman of the Republican Party to hear what he had to say.
Chairman Bob Paduchik saying what many Republicans are saying today, that President Joe Biden should be at the southern border dealing with that crisis instead of here in the Buckeye State. As we know, the president was here to focus on the Affordable Care Act and the American Rescue Plan. Chairman Paduchik says that bill is filled with Democratic pork. The American Rescue Plan is estimated to send Ohio around $5.5 billion. Chairman Paduchik says the money is meant to buy favor for the president and is filled with wasteful spending. The chairman did say he hopes the president speaks and listens to Ohio voters, but was critical of the White House's decision to not speak with local media.
I think that everything that they've done with this relief bill is designed to help them try to win elections. I don't think they're going to be successful with that in Ohio. I don't think Ohio voters deal too kindly with their votes being purchased.
Republican Governor Mike DeWine did meet with the president today. He greeted him at the airport. The governor previously said he wanted to talk to the president about the coronavirus and vaccine distribution here in Ohio. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Adrian Robbins, NBC4.
And of course, Kerry, it is worth noting that President Biden carried Franklin County by quite a large margin, as well as he did Cleveland and Cincinnati. He was very popular in the last election in the urban areas, but the rest of the state voted so strongly against him that overall Donald Trump carried the state by 8 points. So it was making a statement coming to the heart of Ohio to push this American Rescue Plan, which, Kerry, he says is going to help all Americans, whether you voted for him or not.
Very strategic indeed. Colleen, while also here, he did take a moment to address the tragedy that played out in Colorado yesterday. The man who walked into that grocery store, shot and killed 10 people. We're going to talk more about this coming up in the show, but he also is pushing on Congress to act right now when it comes to gun legislation, gun control.
And earlier today, before he left the White House for his trip to here to Columbus, he once again talked about trying to do something about banning assault rifles. Of course, we know that was the weapon. A high-powered rifle was used in that shooting in Colorado. The president made a point of also saying when he got here to Ohio that he was sending his prayers to all of the victims in Boulder. And he made a point of also talking about that police officer. You might have heard Lester Holt talking about it at the end of Nightly News. He was the father of 7, lost his life running into danger, and the president made a point of saying something has to be done about that situation as well. Kerry?